Hey guys, in this video I want to show you the service in MTN that allows you to save a minimum of 1,000 Uganda shillings and you're going to earn up to 8% per month. It can as well give you loans, so when you do your savings, it means you're going to be increasing your chances of getting loans also from this savings service in MTN Mobile Money. Without further ado, let's get started.
MTN, everywhere you go.
Right, welcome back to DevTech YouTube channel. In this video, as I said, that I want to take you through this MTN service that allows you to do savings and you earn 8% interest per month in MTN Mobile Money. Now, to get started, all we need to is to go to our phones and we dial *165 *5 hash. Now, I may be looking down, but I am going to display everything on my screen as I show you a step by step how you can get started with it. So you're going to your phone and you dial *165 *5 hash. Then of course you select the SIM or which side is that SIM that you want to use. Now from here we are going to double zero to go to the next option of it. Then from here we are going to get two options where we have Chomoka and clinicPesa. But in this video we are going to talk about clinicPesa. Now if you don't know clinicPesa is a service in MTN that gives you an options of paying your hospital bills as long as that hospital or facility is registered with MTN clinicPesa. You can pay your treatment using clinicPesa, or you can as well go to any facility registered with MTN clinicPesa and you're going to use the services from clinicPesa in your MTN Mobile Money to pay for any bills that you have. And also in this option they have other packages where you can join, like you join Mamas is maternity, then you can join other services in MTN clinicPesa. Now today we are going to talk only about MTN savings part of it. Now from here we are going to select option 9. Of course, as I said, that we are going to go with option 9, which is clinicPesa. Now when you select option 9, it is going to ask you to accept the terms and conditions by just entering your MTN Mobile Money. So now that is what we need here, is to enter our MTN Mobile Money. Now after you entering your MTN Mobile Money PIN, it is going to bring you to this interface, or it is going to take you or to exit. Now when it exits, you can use this short procedure, which is *165 *44 hash, and you come to this area. Now from here you're going to see that you have 6 options where we have number 1 is savings, then we have loans in case you want loans, then pay hospital bills. As of course I say that in this service you can use it to pay for hospital bills in case you have any bills in hospital registered with MTN clinicPesa. Then we have join Mamas. Join Mamas is joining maternity program is Mamas. That is for pregnant women. Then we have option 5 is my account, for you to see your account. Then we have product information is option 6. I'm going to show you option 6 when we are done with seeing how the savings part of it works. Now we are going to select option 1, then we select to go with savings. Then from here we have the deposit, withdraw, automatic savings. Automatic savings is when you want to put it automatically at week, or you want daily at this time, then you want weekly on this date, or you want monthly on this date, and you make your auto savings. Then we have share fund. Share fund is like when you want to send your money from this mobile money to the other clinicPesa directly for using another line. That is when you can use that option. Then we have option 5, which is check balance, and we have option 6 to see your interest, and lastly option 7, which is lock and unlock. I'm going to show you this number 7 also at the end of the savings part of it. Now we are going to start with manual savings, where we select deposit. Then from here it has for self or for someone. Now if you want to send still to save it to some another line, you can use option 2. But if this very line you have in your line, you're going to select option 1, which is for myself. Then from here you're going to enter the amount that you want to save today, and it will show you the amount that you already have here, that this is what you have. Now you need to just enter the amount that you want to save again. So that is how you can do that savings manual. Now we are going to see the other option of automatic saving. Now for automatic saving, you are going to come and select, still we are going to savings, then we select auto saving, which is option 3. Then from here we are going to select any package, is it on daily or monthly. Now let's see option number 3 for auto savings to see how it works. So we are going to select option number 3. Then here we have option 3, where we have number 1 is activate automatic savings, number 2 view automatic savings, then number 3 cancel automatic savings. Now we are going to first start with option 1, which is activate. You're going to select option 1, then you're going to come to this interface where it asks you whether you want to save daily, weekly or monthly. Now for example, if we go with weekly, we are going to select here. Also it needs us to select between Monday to Sunday, which date we do want to use. Let me use option 5, like a Friday is what I want to try. Then from here it says that enter amount for your Friday weekly savings. Now here you're going to enter the amount that you want to enter to save every Friday on weekly, maybe 25 or 20 or 1,000 or every week. Then we send it so that it takes us to the other part where we have to accept or to enter our mobile money PIN, so that this service will be done every day without you entering your MTN Mobile Money PIN. Now here it says that hello David, auto savings of 1,000 weekly on Friday to successfully initiated. Dial *165 to confirm PIN prompt. The mobile money PIN pop-up will come there, where you're going to enter your mobile money PIN to activate this service. Now if it doesn't come, you have to dial *165# now to continue with that service. So that is how auto savings is in MTN clinicPesa. Now we want to see the other thing, which is how you can withdraw in case you want to withdraw. We're going to select option 2, where you select, then from here you're going to be asked to enter the amount, but of course what you've saved will appear here. Now you're going to enter your amount here, then of course you enter your mobile money PIN to confirm that withdraw from clinicPesa to your MTN Mobile Money. Now when you're doing all those transactions, everything is free of charge. There is no charge that is attached to all the activities you're going to do in MTN clinicPesa and MTN. Now we are going to check another option, which is locking. Locking here is when you want to save, like you want to lock for 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, 10 years. That is the option that you're going to select, which is option 7. Now when you select option 7 here, it also has the same entries, the same interface like for manual savings or for this normal savings, where it has deposit, withdraw, auto savings, then share funds, then check balance. Now we are going to first check maybe the deposit. The deposit also asks you the same for yourself, for someone, then of course everything is the same as we saw in the other side. But of course the different thing is only that you're going to lock this money, meaning if you want to withdraw this money you've locked, you cannot withdraw until that time elapses. That's when you can withdraw this money. But in the other normal manual savings or the other normal savings, you can withdraw your money at any time that you need to withdraw. So that is about savings. Now you may ask me the question that what will I be earning in case I want to save this amount of money. Now to answer that question, you're going to dial *165 *44#. Then of course you're going to come to this interface. Now from here you're going to select number 6, which is product information. Now when you tap on it, it is going to give you all the amounts. As you can see that clinicPesa product information, we have savings, loans, in case you want to know anything about savings, what you're going to earn, like the interest, then the loans interest, then the hospital bills you're going to check, then the mamas you're going to check, then the farmer points. Now if you want to know anything from here, please leave it in the comment section, that then I will come and talk about it. Then let's select option number 1, which is savings, to see what we are going to earn in our savings. Now you can see here it says that when you save 1,000 to 100. So if you want to check that what will I earn if I save 1,000 to 9,099? To me, as I have already checked, it is 1%. So you're going to earn 1% if you save less than 10,000. Then these other ones, there is one of 4, 7, and 8. Okay, let's check. Like if you want to save a minimum of 100,000, you want to save 100 to 199, 900,000 is option 4. We see how much you're going to earn. Here it says you're going to earn 8% in 30 days, and also you're going to receive 50,000 farmer points. So that is what you're going to earn from that level. So you can now see that you're going to earn that amount. It is now you to know where do you want to save, or how much do you want to save so that you earn in that level. Guys, that is how it is here, and I think I have already given you everything that I wanted to show you in MTN clinicPesa. It is MTN service that allows you to save money, and also you can be increasing the chances of you getting loans also as well in MTN clinicPesa services. Guys, let's end there. For any other things, please leave in the comment section, and of course make more research before you do any savings in MTN clinicPesa, as I record this video only for educational purposes. Let's meet in the next video.